your cage clean? Where are you? There you are. Come on, hop out. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. You hop out and we're going to give your cage clean. You're going to come with me and help? Yeah, it needs a clean. We usually clean it every week. You're such a good boy. You like getting on my shoulder. Hop on my shoulder. There we go. Yeah? You hop on my shoulder and we'll go and get it done. What do you think? Yeah? Won't take too long. Oh, good boy. Just right along with me. Good boy. One budgie can make so much mess. They're just little. Okay, give everything a bit of a scrub down to make it look tidy and clean before Bluey goes back in. We can take the whole cage apart, so that's really good. And get it all clean, and then we'll put him back in. Okay, that's looking prettier. Now we just need to go and get him back into it, and I'll get him some fresh food. Okay, let's take it back to its spot. And I'll go and get Bluey. There we go. Okay, and there he is, up on the curtains. You gonna come down, Blue Boy? Back to your cage. Here we go. I'll get you. Come on. Come on, pretty boy. Good boy. Whoa, there he goes. Oh, he's having a bit of a fly. Hey, pretty boy. You gonna come back down? Come on. Come on. Come on, pretty boy. Here you go. Back to your cage. There you go. And we'll just get you some fresh food. Okay, good boy. He's got fresh food and he's going to have some fresh greenery. Hey, Blue? Is that good fresh food? And we're going to give you some greenery. I'll just pop that in the cage, and that greenery probably only lasts for a day. The food, I change it most days. Okay, good boy, Blue.